Okay, John, this is Dan Shea with Veterans for Peace Forum, and I want you to, this is John Walsh, who has just been in Honduras. So you want to tell us a little bit about yourself. Where'd you grow up at here in Portland?
I grew up in Chicago, actually, and traveled around the country, eventually wound up in Portland, been here for, 25, 30 years now.
And you were a labor activist.
I worked in a printing plant for about 25 years. I was shop steward there for about half that time, and for a while on the executive board of our local.
Well, which was interesting, and just talking with you earlier, we were both in the printing industry, and I was a union representative for GCIU, local printing pressman's 43. Interesting history we both share, and it was a pleasure to find that out.
Mm-hmm.
And over the years, both of us have crossed paths, especially through Portland Central American Solidarity Committee that has been doing work on Central America, Latin America, and others. And you're going to be going to Colombia shortly.
Right.
And I assume you'll be working with the injured workers of GM and others while you're there?
Certainly hope to see them. Right now there's a big focus on the port city of Buenaventura. It's the largest port in Colombia. It's really been affected by the free trade agreement between the U.S. and Colombia, as well as other free trade agreements. A great amount of wealth passes through the port, but the population's in poverty. And last spring, last May and June, they had a 3-week-long citywide strike, a general strike, to insist on health care, potable water, decent schools, environmental protections, and more. The leadership of that strike has been threatened. One was recently assassinated. So it's an important moment to be present and accompany the struggle there.
Now, one of the reasons I wanted to talk to you is that you were down in Honduras, and let's give a little history or background on Honduras. Of course, Central American country, a big U.S. base there. Mm-hmm. There was a coup in 2009, wasn't it?
Right.
That ousted Zelaya. How do you say it? Zelaya.
Mm-hmm.
Hold it. I can stop.